What's going on? In this video, I'm going to be explaining something truly groundbreaking and revolutionary. We're going to be unveiling BuyerIQ. This is the bridge that ultimately allows marketing and sales to have full transparency into the quality of leads that are being generated. And this is going to allow you to take the information that BuyerIQ generates for you and feed your pixel event without having to change anything about your funnel, without having to change anything about your Facebook conversion campaign. Nothing needs to change structurally about how you are currently operating. The only thing that starts to happen is you have clear visibility into the quality of leads that you're generating, and you have clear power to segment who your best closers are talking to, who's going straight to your top dogs, and who's going to the outbound team. So the way BuyerIQ works is all you have to do in the footer of your landing page, like the footer where you're already putting the Facebook, you just need to include the consent language that we provide you so that we're able to compliantly run BuyerIQ. What BuyerIQ will give you when you start running the data is it will tell you who is actually financially qualified, not who says they're earning $100,000 in the application. No, it pulls their credit score, their available credit line as reported by the credit bureaus, and their IRS income statement. So there's nothing like products. So this same technology we've been working to get access to for over a year now. Now you have it at a click of a button. So what will happen when BuyerIQ goes live inside of an account is you'll see all the different BuyerIQ reports, the pass rate, the qualification, the average income, the average line of credit, the average credit score, and the average spend to do so. So it's important to understand, like, once you have this data, you don't need to guess who's qualified anymore. All right. And then what we can do is we can take the data of your qualification parameters, we can take that data and use it to feed the conversion event that you're running with Facebook right now. So all we're doing is we're restricting the flow of data that goes back to Facebook. So your cost per call being booked with BuyerIQ is going to go up by $3.95. We're not breaking the bank here. But the more important thing that's happening behind the scenes is that we go from sending Facebook the conversion data of everyone and their mother who booked a call with you to only rewarding Facebook with those who are BuyerIQ qualified and using that to trigger the conversion event that you're running your campaigns on right now. So what that starts to do is that the first time we're currently generating, but there's no way to know that. So when we start forcing Facebook to optimize for the leads that are BuyerIQ qualified, you'll start to see that ratio change over time. We're looking at 89% of the leads that are being generated are now BuyerIQ qualified, available credit requirement, and meets their credit score requirement. So I really strongly recommend anyone who's running, if you're spending a lot of money on Facebook ads, you can knock the best leads to your best closers, and you get to route the leads that you're unsure about to your outbound team for them to be triaged. And then once it passes your triage process, then they get to talk to your closers. And what we're finding right now is that on average, leads with a 650, less than a 650 credit score show up to their sales call on average about 14%, which is insane. All right. So if you're interested in this, let me know. There's no upfront cost for anyone who's already using Charlie. All it is you just prepay for the reports that you want to be able to run. It's a minimum of $100 that you need to have available in your prepaid balance. And then every time that runs is $3.95. It only runs before someone books a call. So it doesn't mess with the application flow. It doesn't mess with the calendar flow. Leads that are coming to Charlie, it's only going to run before it puts them on the calendar. So you have clear visibility on who those people are, the quality of them, and you get to train the Facebook pixel based on that BuyerIQ data. So overall, the downstream impact is more of your leads that are getting generated because Facebook is starting to be trained on those who are financially viable. More of those leads are the ones that it'll start serving your ads and your campaigns to.